This is just a preliminary meeting I had with the housing board to get a feel of various schemes of ours where we had allotted plots to people, and to see that what is the problem as far as the people are facing. And several times for over the years people have been representing. Now tenements which had been allotted to people 45 years back, till today they are not the legal owners in the true sense, because while they continue squatting in these plots which otherwise should have been allotted to them, somehow I don't know for what reason this has not happened. When we talk of slum development, this is going to be truly slum improvement totally, and whatever amenities that are lacking, whether it is toilets, whether it is water line reaching that place, sewage line reaching that place, all that will be looked into. So it will be a holistic view being taken of after considering all problems that matter in housing. So and I want to mention here, these are hundreds of houses. I think more than 500 houses in this one area itself at New Warden needs resolution. So that will be done. There is a problem in Zorin, there is a problem in Upasnagar, there is a problem in Lamani Nagar. These also were areas belonging to the housing board, which at the time of a fire were allotted to people. People are staying there, families have multiplied, and they are still not the owners. So we will be taking a call on that as well and finding a solution to housing of the people in a manner which befits healthy living, not living in unhygienic conditions, living in conditions that are not fit for humans.